Welcome to Jamaica Citizens Guide. In this video, I'll show you how to become a Justice of the Peace in Jamaica. Here is the qualification. You must be a Jamaican citizen and living in Jamaica at the time of appointment. Be at least age 23. Ability to read and speak English fluently. Has no criminal record and of a respectable character. Be able to communicate and interact at all levels and with all types of individuals in your community. Has given good service to the community and the wider Jamaica and demonstrates the potential for continued service. Here is the application process. Obtain application form at the office of the custos of your parish, or simply download a copy of the application form from the Ministry of Justice website, which is moj.gov.jm. The following must be submitted with the application to the custos: photocopy in color of your birth certificate or the page of your Jamaican passport which shows date of birth. If your surname on the application is different due to marriage, please bring a colored photocopy of marriage certificate. If the surname on the application is different due to change of name, please bring colored photocopy of deed poll. 2 letters of recommendation from 2 persons in the following categories: Pastor, Justice of the Peace, Senior Police Officer. 2 certified passport size photographs. Please note that photographs must be taken in color, is less than 6 months old, and the certification must be done on the back of the photograph. Submit the completed application form to the custos of the parish. Your application will be reviewed, and if successful, you will be trained and must take the oath of office before giving the instrument of office and the office authorizing the discharge of the functions of JP. In addition to upholding the rights of citizens, the JP is required to serve as a justice in a court of petty sessions, attend the children's courts and drug court, consider applications for bail, attend the police stations as part of upholding the rights of citizens, explain and sign documents, sit on licensing panels, give counsel and advice, and also submit annual report to the custos of his or her parish.